Some people may think that this crypto things, Binance things, FXPesa things, forex trading things are just crazy. Let me just show you my earnings of the crypto thing. Remember, I actually do forex full time, but sometimes I actually trade crypto like Ethereum and Bitcoin because I just like them. I've been trading this. This is why I started. So sometimes I actually come and trade, and sometimes I just trade on features. Remember, you can watch how you can be able to trade. Made those videos. They are all on the YouTube just for free. So if you just go to the features over here, and then you can see Binance. I don't think it is there in Binance demo account. I don't know, but I've never used it. So I'm going to the positions, and then I just go to the history. I just wanted to show you my earnings of 1 month. I will say you tell me whether it is scam or legit, whether it pays or not. So let's see. And on the filter here, I'm going to filter and then go to 1 month. You can see it is 1 month over here. Okay, 1 month. Okay, you can see all this 22 USDT. Remember, USDT is actually higher than the dollar, so we have 22, 51 USDT, 80 USDT. Let me just mention them in Kenya shillings. These are around 3,000, that's around 7,000, that is about 1,100, these are about 1,700, these are about $84. That is more than 12,000 around there. This is 7,000. This is more than 1,000. This is 300. This is 1,500. This is more than 700. Another's 800 there. We have another 3,000. We have another 1,400. We have another, oh, you can see all this money, 10,009 USDT. We have $6,028, $28. So you can see all that money. You can just do the calculations, and you can see actually at the end of the month, this is a salary of someone who is actually employed so well. And you just sit down with them the month, and you can just make all this money right over here. Have you seen anywhere I've closed losses here? Let's see how many losses. Only one loss. So you can see only one loss, and actually went to negative $4 here, negative $4. You wanted to know how to trade? Watch my videos there on the YouTube. Follow me over there, subscribe. It's just for free. I just give you for free because when I'm not trending, I have to give you this for free so that you can just learn which just cost. Now friends, see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you for those who are actually going to visit me over there. If you have any question, my details are down there on the description. You can just check.